out in the
Deep
deep.
below the ocean surface,
The hunters look
where
even
sunlight
stranger.
cannot reach,
body, and
a
then snap it
strange
back
shape
to catch
moves
food.
through the
Ability
dark.
to adapt into an array of
It does
weird
not
and
look
wonderful
like the sharks
species.
we know.
Many
Its snout stretches forward like a blade. Its skin is pale, ghostly, almost unreal. And hidden beneath its face is one of the strangest jaws in nature.
1,000 feet below.
A jaw that can shoot forward in an instant, like a trap springing
since
out
the
of the
early
darkness.
Cretaceous period. While
This
But
is
these
the Goblin
sharks
Shark,
represent just the tip of the iceberg.
sometimes called a living fossil. A survivor from an ancient family of sharks, it seems less like an animal from today, and more like something left behind by a
Goblin
forgotten
Shark.
age.
an ancient branch of sharks that
But
has
the Goblin
remained
Shark
almost
is not a mistake. It is a deep-sea solution.
unland, and massive reptiles swam the surface
Predator
seas.
shaped by darkness, pressure, and scarcity. To understand it,
The Goblin Shark
we
is
must
really
leave
one of
the
the most
familiar ocean behind. Near the surface, the sea is bright and alive. Fish flash through coral gardens. Sea turtles glide through blue water. Dolphins rise to breathe in sunlight. But the Goblin Shark does not belong to this world. It belongs deeper, down past the reefs, down past the last strong colors, down where the water becomes cold and heavy. This is the twilight and midnight ocean. Food is rare here. Light is weak. And every animal is shaped by patience. The Goblin Shark is one of them. It is rarely seen alive. Most people know it from accidental catches, strange photographs, or brief footage from the deep. A pale body lifted from darkness. A long snout. Teeth like crooked needles. A face that looks almost unfinished. That face is the reason people remember it. The Goblin Shark's snout is long, flat, and scientists
5
call
million
this
years.
extended
It belongs
snout
to the
a
family
rostrum.
Mitsukuri.
But it is not there for decoration.
Sharks we find in our
It
oceans
is
today
covered
have
with
changed
sensory
immensely
organs
since the
that can
Jurassic.
detect
The
faint
few that
Deep
electrical
sea
signals.
world. Its ghostly pink-gray skin.
Every living animal gives off tiny electrical traces. A beating heart. A moving muscle.
The ancestors of the Goblin Shark already
A
proud.
nervous system firing in the dark. In deep water,
Giving it that
these
eerie,
signals
almost
can reveal
otherworldly.
prey that the shark cannot easily see. The Goblin
Deep
Shark
sea
may
sharks
sweep its
there is.
snout through the water,
I mean, it looks like a goblin.
searching for invisible signs of life. Its eyes are small, and in the darkness, vision alone is not enough.
It's a nose for prey
So
in
the shark
dark.
reads electricity. It feels the invisible.
Anything else in the ocean.
This
Today,
is
the
how
modern
ghost
Goblin
finds
Shark
food. But finding prey is only the first
of
problem.
Earth's oceans. Silent,
Catching
patient,
it is even stranger. The Goblin Shark does not
Shark
have
still
a
carries the same
normal-looking
blueprint.
bite.
Its ghostly
Its
pink
jaws can
Where
extend
food is
dramatically forward. In a split second, the mouth launches from the head.
It has the ability.
The prey is grabbed before it can escape.
that they
This
are
motion looks
While the
almost
dinosaurs
mechanical,
ruled the land in massive same blueprint.
like
a
a
long,
hidden device
flattened
firing out of the face. but it is pure biology. Cartilage.
And knows
Muscles.
just how to use it.
Ligaments. Timing.
Live between 200 and 300
The
meters
goblin
deep.
shark's jaws are built for projection. When prey comes close, the mouth shoots
A
outward.
ghostly predator that
The
reveals
teeth
how life
catch
adapts.
and hold. The jaws retract, and the prey disappears. This is one of the strangest feeding mechanisms in sharks. It may help the goblin shark catch food without chasing fast prey for long distances. In the deep sea, saving energy matters. Long chases are expensive. Speed is expensive. Muscle is expensive. A sudden jaw strike is efficient. The goblin shark does not need to be fast like a mako. It only needs to be close enough. This makes it a different kind of hunter. Not a high-speed torpedo. Not a surface ambusher like the great white, but a slow ghost with a sudden trap for a mouth. Its teeth add to the nightmare. Long, thin, and sharp. They look fragile, but they are perfect for gripping slippery prey. Fish, squid, and crustaceans may all become meals. The mouth is not designed for crushing giant animals. It is designed to seize soft prey in darkness. Again, the animal looks frightening because it is specialized. Its horror is also its function. But the
Living in
goblin
deeper
shark's
waters
body
is a
tells
world of
another
elusive,
story.
mysterious.
Compared with faster sharks, it can look soft,
Worldly glow.
Loose.
This strange appearance.
and almost
Far
flabby. This may seem weak, but deep sea
diver
life
had his
often
own.
favors low-energy design. In a world where meals
vessels
are
shimmer
rare,
beneath it,
waste
giving
can
it
be
that
deadly.
eerie,
The goblin shark survives by being efficient.
semi-translucent, so thin that the blood
Its pale color may come from blood vessels
These are the
beneath thin
fastest-
skin. When alive, it can appear pinkish or
Fin
ghostly.
placed well down on its back, as
But
well
under
as an
deep
anal fin.
water, color works differently. Red and pink fade quickly with depth.
far below the reach
What
of
looks
sunlight.
strange to us
Most
may not
goblin
stand
sharks
out in its world. The ghostly body may be less visible than we imagine. In the deep sea,
Of the shallows,
Beauty
which have
follows
evolved differently in order to become
Until they
smooth
attack.
colors and graceful shapes are not required. What matters is survival. Find food. Save energy.
a long, flattened snout packed with
Avoid
electroreceptors.
danger.
Most goblin sharks are 10
Reproduce
to 12 feet long.
before the
They can grow
darkness
much.
takes you. The goblin shark is one answer to those problems. Its
A
family
soft,
line
flabby
is
body
ancient.
designed for deep pressure.
It belongs to Mitsukurinidae, a lineage with deep roots.
It could have done
That is
some
why
serious.
people often call it a living fossil. But that phrase can be misleading. The goblin shark is not frozen in time.
Mitsukurinidae, an ancient branch of
It
sharks
is
that has
alive, active, and adapted to the present ocean. It simply carries ancient features into a modern world,
These are the fastest.
like a message from the past written in cartilage and teeth. This makes it
Until
feel
they attack.
prehistoric. But the deep sea itself feels prehistoric. Far from sunlight, change can seem slow. Ancient body plans can still work. If the environment rewards them, they continue. The Goblin Shark continued. While dinosaurs vanished,
roams unseen.
While climates
This is the
shifted,
Goblin Shark. Mitsukurina.
while oceans opened and closed, this ghostly shark remained in the deep. Most humans will never see one alive. And that rarity feeds its legend. When a goblin shark appears online, it looks almost fake, a creature too strange for ordinary nature. But nature is under no obligation to look ordinary, especially not in the deep sea. Down there, familiar rules collapse. Fish carry lights. Squid grow into legends. Sharks grow faces like tools from another planet. The Goblin Shark is part of this hidden gallery. A reminder that Earth still creates aliens of its own. Imagine a research submersible descending into dark water. Its lights cut through floating particles. The surface is far above. The pressure outside is immense. On the monitor, the seafloor appears like a gray desert. Then something moves at the edge of the light. A pale shark, slow and silent. Its snout enters the beam first.
These are the fastest.
Had it been a
Long.
16-foot long...
Flat. Strangely delicate. The body
Sluggish.
follows like a ghost. It does
to
not
the
rush.
planet's most extreme frontiers. It
It
belongs
drifts with eerie
a
control.
ghostly predator that reveals how life adapts
Small
to the
fish
planet.
hover near the bottom. The shark turns slightly.
Until they attack.
Its snout points toward movement. It senses what the camera cannot.
Nor
The prey
graceful
moves
by
closer.
human standards. Yet it is one of evolution's
The shark's
strangest,
mouth begins
remained
to
almost
shift.
unchanged since the early Cretaceous. Skin
Then
is
the jaws
semi-translucent,
fire forward.
so thin that the 125 million
For
years.
one moment,
This is the Goblin Shark.
The face
Mitsukuri.
transforms. Ghost becomes trap.
Sunlight fades into eternal
prey is
night.
gone.
A creature older.
The jaws pull back. And the shark resumes its slow movement as if nothing happened. This is the Goblin Shark's horror. Notre constante violence. But sudden transformation. A quiet animal, hiding, a violent mechanism. It looks supernatural because the movement is so unexpected. But every
These are
part
the
has a
fastest-
reason. The snout searches,
Fish jaws in the
the
ocean.
jaws launch. The teeth hold. The body saves energy. Together, they create a predator
10 feet per
perfectly
second.
strange for its world.
So fast it can only be seen in slow.
The Goblin Shark may live along continental slopes and deep waters.
In the
Where the
crushing
ocean
darkness
drops
of the
away
deep
from
ocean,
land,
where sunlight
canyons.
fades into it.
Ridges and dark plains create hidden habitats.
In the crushing darkness of the deep ocean,
Food may
where
drift down or move through currents. Small animals live in scattered patches.
1,000 feet below.
The shark must search carefully. It cannot depend on abundance.
And teeth.
It must depend on sensitivity.
Goblin Shark.
In this world, the best hunter may be the one that wastes least. The Goblin Shark's strange body becomes logical. The long snout is not ugly. It is equipment. The jaws are not monstrous. They are a solution. The pale skin is not weakness. It is part of deep water life. But humans often judge animals by surface standards. We call them ugly when they do not match our world. We call them monsters when we do not understand their design. The Goblin Shark challenges that habit. It asks us to look again, to see function beneath fear, adaptation beneath ugliness, survival beneath strangeness. The deep sea is full of animals like this, animals that look wrong until you understand the problems they solve. The anglerfish solves darkness with a light. The giant squid solves distance with long tentacles. The hammerhead solves hidden prey with a widened head. The goblin shark solves deep-sea hunting with a launching jaw. Each one is strange because the ocean is strange. Each one is beautiful in its own logic. But the goblin shark remains especially haunting because it seems to carry the past on its face. A reminder that old designs can survive in hidden places.
The Goblin Shark's
Not
lineage
every
stretches
ancient
back
thing
over
disappears.
120.
Some retreat into darkness.
Deep sea sharks there is.
Some continue.
I mean, it looks like a
quietly below
goblin.
us. Some wait until a camera finally finds them. Then the world reacts with disbelief. How can something like this be real? The answer is simple.
It's a nose for prey in the dark.
The ocean is older and
It
stranger
has the ability.
than our
It knows
expectations.
just how to use it.
And it has had millions of years to experiment. The goblin shark is one of those experiments still alive. We still know relatively little about its daily life. How often does it feed? How far does it travel? How many live below the continental slopes? How do
Only the
young goblin sharks survive? Many answers
Jaw
remain
that whips
hidden.
forward like a slingshot.
Pressure keeps us away.
An ancient web works.
Darkness
even
hides
today.
behavior. Rarity keeps encounters brief. So the goblin shark remains half known, real enough to study, rare
Until they
enough to
attack.
feel mythical, frightening enough to be remembered, important enough to deserve understanding. Like many deep-sea animals, it may be affected by human activity. Deep fishing can reach habitats once
A
beyond
group
us.
of creatures that has
Bycatch
dominated
can
the
pull rare
oceans
animals
for
from the dark.
450
Pollution can travel even into deep water. Climate change can alter ocean systems from surface to depth. The goblin shark may seem far from us, but no part of
These
the
are the
ocean is
fastest-
completely separate anymore. What happens above can echo below. The deep is not untouched simply because it is unseen.
Until
This
they
makes
attack.
understanding rare creatures more urgent. If we only protect animals we find beautiful, we fail the ocean. The strange ones matter too. The ugly ones matter too. The ones that look like nightmares matter
These
too.
are the fastest.
Because ecosystems are not built from beauty alone,
Until they attack.
they are built from roles. The Goblin Shark has a role we are still learning to understand. Predator. Survivor. Ancient lineage. Ghost of the deep. Imagine one moving now beneath a distant continental slope. No sunlight touches its back. No human eye sees its
These are the
path.
fastest.
It follows signals too faint for us to feel. A fish moves in the darkness. The shark turns slowly.
These are
Its
the
snout
fastest.
points like an antenna. The prey drifts closer.
Fish jaws in the ocean.
The mouth remains still. Then the jaw launches. The ancient mechanism works again. A design older than our fears. A strike hidden from almost every camera. A meal taken in silence. Then the ghost continues forward. This is its life. Not spectacle,
Until they attack.
not legant. Survival in a world we barely know. Above, waves move under the sun. Ships cross the surface. People look out and see blue water. But far below, another Earth continues. A darker Earth. An older Earth. A place where ghost sharks still hunt. The Goblin Shark is not a mistake of nature. It is nature refusing to be ordinary. A pale predator with a blade-like snout. A living fossil with a launching jaw. A ghost from prehistory, still moving through the dark. The Goblin Shark is the nightmare
Goblin Shark.
the ocean never let go.